1.5 ton change out here. Probably not going to be warm enough to check it out. September 11th, 9/11/2020. And yeah, chilly morning. Gonna be 61 later, but probably not before we get done here. Probably only 8:30. 20 amp breaker. Should be good. Get the old coil out. Flush job. See, sit in there the way they had it, which was with the lines pointing into the corner, and that just looked tight for soldering. And when I spun it this way, now we've got more access to the, how you get into the electrical rather than having that buried in the corner. You're supposed to have 2 feet to one side of this access panel here. So by spinning it, 90 degrees, it gives us plenty of room to get at it. From this side, the electrical actually reaches better. It's just a much better scenario. So that's what we're going to do. Got my lines marked on the concrete right there. I'm going to extend these out to those T's there and shove the unit in and solder it up. Got these lines extended and bent in here. Obviously I use a tubing gunner on this 3/4. That'll slide up and down and twist. I'll slide the unit in here. I got a little coupling on that one. And get the nitrogen flowing and solder it up. Schraders are pulled. Ready to roll here. Checking these connections and the disconnect. It's tight. Tight. Everything looks good in there. Alright, still in, fired up, dialing her in.